Okay, everyone, so today we held a Fireless cooking class in which we made Ramadan treats. Okay, you know that in Ramadan we break our fast using eating the dates. Okay, so we made a date treat. Okay, we created a date treat and we also learned how to make it. Okay, what we did, we used dates, we removed seeds out of it, and then we added nuts inside it, and then we coated the dates with chocolate. Okay, we dipped it in a chocolate, in a melted chocolate, and we created a treat. Okay, this is a very yummy treat which you can make during Ramadan and eat it while breaking the fast. Okay, so when Ramadan comes, when Ramadan arrives, you can make these treats and eat it during the Ramadan and break your fast with it. Okay, so now everyone tell me, who will make this treat in Ramadan? कौन कौन बनाएगा ये treat Ramadan में? जल्दी से hand raise करें, कौन बनाएगा मुझे बताएं. And did you like this treat or not? Was it yummy?
Yes, very well. Mom, I'll make it in Ramadan. I'll make it in Ramadan.
Okay, good.
The chocolate